Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Audi A1. Just turn that down a second. First thing we do, we click on telephone here. Now with the Audi system, there's 4 buttons around this rotary control, and each of the 4 buttons correspond to whatever instruction is in the corners. So for instance there, you've got settings, so you would click that one. But it says search for a new mobile. There's nothing connected. So first of all, we'll go to settings, go to Bluetooth, watch out at the bottom for Bluetooth, and then we'll click, see there, can't move it, search for new mobile phone, click. Please check the Bluetooth is activated on your mobile phone. Well, it is, and discoverability is switched on. Again, that is. But just to check that, if you were to click settings in the bottom right hand corner, click settings, and just click settings again, sorry, and then down to Bluetooth, click on Bluetooth, and there we have discoverability, and it's switched on. So right, we need to go back, so click back again, search for new mobile phone, yes, continue, yes. We know that Bluetooth is switched on, discoverability switched on. So waiting for it to show up on the phone or the screen here. Barry's iPhone 13 Pro, so it showed up on the screen here. It's highlighted, we click OK, hands-free, click OK again. The connection's been established. Please wait. It's generated its own random PIN code. Does it match? 780418, well it's going to, so we click pair there and yes there. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow. And it's being established. The connection's been established. You'll see there the map showed up. That's always a good sign that it's connected. And then let's just, we'll go to the top and just see Barry's and Audi MM connected. So that's it done. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream music, play audio from your phone through the system in this 2016 Audi A1. Sometimes it's quite complicated, but once you've done it, once you've set it up for the first time, it should be okay. So what we do, we go to music, and you see on music here, that's, if I click on the bottom, this is the track I'm going to play. iPhone, it's Van Morrison, Days Like This, but there's just iPhone showing up. So I've already paired my phone to the Audi system, but it's not showing up on the media. And what happens when you set this correctly, any soundtrack that's playing on your phone, if this is set correctly, it will come through the speakers in your car. So now we go to media. A Bluetooth audio player has not yet been connected. Now, if you're going to connect a brand new one, if there's somebody else in the car and you want to play their phone, then that's what you do. But now you've got settings in the corner. As I say, these 4 buttons correspond to the instructions or what it's going to do if you click one of these buttons. Settings is in the bottom right hand corner, so we click on settings, Bluetooth settings, select Bluetooth settings. Now, bonded Bluetooth devices. So we go down to bonded Bluetooth. You see there, if there's nothing playing for any other reason, just make sure there's on next to Bluetooth audio. But bonded Bluetooth devices, select that, click on that. Barry's iPhone, click on that again. And you'll see there, hands-free is connected, audio player has not connected. So we turn that down, click on connect, watch here, Audi MMI's come up. Now, if this is playing, which it is, turn that up. When it's not always raining. Perfect record for it, but it is raining today, so that's how you do that. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Audi A1. So from any screen, if I go to telephone, which is there, click on telephone, you'll see that my phone is connected. I'm just going to go back so it doesn't show anything. Right, so it's not showing anything, nothing's connected. Search for new mobile there. But settings is in the bottom right hand corner, so we're looking to delete a mobile. So these 4 buttons here at the side of the rotary control correspond to the instructions in the corners of the screen. So we want settings at the bottom, click on settings, telephone settings, go down to Bluetooth, click on Bluetooth. You've got Bluetooth discoverability, Bluetooth audio player, find Bluetooth devices, bonded Bluetooth devices. So those are the devices that are actually bonded to the system. So we click on there, you've got Barry's iPhone there. If I click on that, you'll see it brings up another menu, connect or delete device at the top. That's what we want. We want to delete the device. Do you really want to delete the device yet? I've gone through all those things because I don't want to delete it. Device has been deleted, please wait. That's it gone. That's how you do it.